Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha states, I would perform the chores in Hazrat Zubair's horse. He had a horse and I would tend it, and I didn't feel any other work more taxing than tending this horse. I would fetch grass for it, tend it, and serve it. I then got a maid. The Prophet ﷺ was brought some captives, so he ﷺ granted me a slave girl as a maid. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha says that maid started looking after the horse on my behalf, and thus she relieved me of this taxing job. A man came to me and said, Abdullah's mother, I am a destitute person. I wish to do business in the shade of your house. I said, though I give you permission, Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu will reject it. So you should come and seek the permission when Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu will be present. He came again and said, O Abdullah's mother, I am a destitute person. I wish to start business in the shade of your house. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha whereupon said, you find no place in entire Madina Munawwara saves my house. Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu said, what has happened to you that you are proscribing a destitute person from doing business? He then started running a shop there until he earned a lot, and I sold that slave girl to him. Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu came while the price was in my lap. He said, give me the money. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha said, I have given it as alms. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5657.